Here's an oldie but a goodie. Take a look at this. 1926 Ford Model T pickup, stake bed. Retaining the wooden spoked wheels yet. You're also going to see the hand crank up front, but it has had electric start installed, and we're going to start it up, let you hear it run by the end of the video. We'll take a peek underneath the hood at the inline 4-cylinder power plant. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, every angle of this truck, check the still pictures out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. Black vinyl interior, of course, the 3-pedal setup. We'll get around to the driver's side, show you that a little bit closer. Something I do want to show you underneath right here is a fuel shutoff. So at 9 o'clock right there, the fuel is off, and with it down, at 6 o'clock, fuel is on. So we're going to leave the fuel on so we can start it up here in just a bit. Take a look at the wood bed on this. How fun would this be for parades, local roll-ins, cruise-ins? Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. And again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. There's a battery disconnect on top of the battery down here on the driver's side. You can see paint shows well on it. Is it perfect? No. Like I've always said on the Model Ts and the Model As, though, it always seems like the trucks show a little bit better with their imperfections just because of the age of them. And it seems like if you have too fancy a paint on an old truck like this, it just doesn't really seem to go with it. You want that old school vibe. Of course, the side glass, vinyl seats. On the driver's side, you can see rear rips, tears, holes. Of course, this is your, how do I want to say it, high and low speed you would have. And then the pedals, what, reverse in the center, brake all the way on the right, and engaging clutch on the left, if my memory serves me correctly. As far as starting it, just turn the key to the left. This would be your choke. We're indoors. I don't think I'm going to need that choke. And the starter button, I don't know if I can get you to see it, right down there on the floor behind my foot. So we're going to push on that starter button and fire this up. Throttle right here on this side. Of course, timing on the other. We're just going to let it idle like this just a second. Sounds like a Model T. Very distinct engine noise. Let's see. I'm going to slip up. I'm going to open the passenger side of the hood. Let's take a look at that. And we'll wrap up this video. There it is. Again, inline 4-cylinder. First single carb right here. Pretty simple back in 1926. Smooth runner, 1926 Model T pickup. That stake bed box on it. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. Take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.